Hi, Francis Dave from Soke Travel Adventures. Well, I'm gutted to hear that Canadian Airlines are canceling flights to Cuba. I am just gutted. We had planned on going down in March. We had actually made some preliminary plans to go down. We know we can't go now. But what I want to do is position an alternative for Canadian travelers that want to go down. We just returned the last week in January, first week in February from a 2-week trip, direct flights from Halifax to Cancun. Took local transportation down to Playa del Carmen, spent 2 weeks in the Aloft Playa del Carmen. We had a wonderful time. The Aloft down there is what I call a 3-star hotel with a 5-star rooftop. We enjoyed the beaches, we enjoyed the rooftop, we had fabulous food, and we did it all for $3,000 Canadian. So stay tuned and I'll tell you how to do that. Hi friends, it's Dave from Southgate Imaging. So my wife Frida and I just returned from a trip to Playa del Carmen, Mexico. So we flew on WestJet, direct flight from Halifax. We stayed at the Aloft on 10th Avenue. Had a really good time at the Aloft. They treated us good. We actually got an upgraded balcony room, so that really helped. I consider the Aloft to be a 3-star property with a 5-star rooftop. It was great. Been recent renovations to 10th Avenue right in front of the hotel, and it's become a very good walking area. It's really nice. You're right around the corner from 5th Avenue here, and if you can't stay busy in 5th Avenue, you should stay home. That's as simple as that. There's always something going on. And then down the Ming Centro area where you got your waterfront down near Playa Car, it's great. There's Playa Car Mall, wonderful spot to spend some time. And again, 5th Avenue at nighttime is unbeatable. A lot of clear sand, clear water. It was really good time of the year to visit. This is actually Playa El Esmeralda. Very nice spot. We toured some Airbnb properties just for future trips for reference and trying to get our research done. They're really nice down there. There's a lot of new properties right now. This is the one that's right off from Playa 77. You have an entrance to the beach right in front of you. It's fantastic. Beautiful rooftop, typical of the properties down in Playa. Really nice property. We saw a lot of street art along the way. It's all over the place. And all of these things I'm going to do separate videos on, and just to give you more ideas, better hotel reviews. We stayed at the Hyatt Place at Cancun Airport. We really liked that place. And we had a very reliable shuttle service to the airport. We really had a good stay there. Found a nice Mexican food restaurant just around the corner, and then back home on WestJet to the cold north. So how did we do this trip for $3,000? Well, we are budget travelers, there's no doubt, but here's how basically it lined up. We basically spent $1,000 for the two of us for the direct flights on WestJet. We flew ultra basic. We didn't have a carry-on. We flew with actually a personal item, and we are very budget travelers. We know how to do this. You might want to pay for a carry-on. I can totally understand that. Hey, it's your trip. So we spent $1,000 for flights. We spent $87 a night US at the Aloft, but that's a very nice property. I look at it as a very good value. You're putting yourself in a nice, comfortable position. It's a beautiful hotel. It's a 3-star hotel, 5-star rooftop. You've seen that in my video. It's a great place to be. It's very centrally located, so you can walk all through Playa del Carmen from there. It's walkable to the beach, it's walkable to the restaurants, and it's walkable for entertainment, so everything is right there. So that was that. Local transportation was probably under $100 Canadian. We use ADO bus, and in the video I'll explain how you can use ADO bus to get from Playa del Carmen Hotel. You get to Cancun to Playa del Carmen hotels. So it's all very doable. And our food, we don't really have a food budget, but we basically ended up doing it for $50 a day for the two people. That's $25 a day each. And in my video, I'll link some other videos. I'll show you how to do that. So very strong value, really equivalent to Cuba pricing. As much as I'd like to go and explore Cuba this year, it's not going to happen. We may be going back to Playa again. I don't know. However, anyway, that's the video. I'll show you the spreadsheet. It's up on the screen, and you'll see how we did it. So very strong value opportunity here. I don't know of a place that you can go and eat as good and and enjoy yourself as much as probably you can in Playa del Carmen right now. And I'll tell you this, Playa del Carmen was not that busy, and that's a good thing. Basically, Mexico had this big, we were open to COVID and they kind of grew real fast. So there's lots of properties there. There's lots of accommodations still empty. And so they are reducing their prices to fill beds right now. So it's a good opportunity to get down there. So don't sleep on it. It's a really good opportunity. Well, friends, I hope you enjoyed the video. Again, I'm just gutted that Cuba's in a position they're in because we really were looking forward to go there. But I'm trying to position Playa del Carmen, Mexico, as a good alternative to this. And I really, really think if you were thinking Cuba and you've been canceled or they just fell through those plans, take a look at Playa del Carmen. I basically created the guidebook for you here. I can show you how to do it. And if you have any questions, how to do it, maybe on transportation, how's ADO going to work, where are the hiccups going to be, just message me and I'll do what I can to hook you up. I work with a local vlogger down there, actually, Rope Monster. You may want to follow him, and he's helped me a lot in navigating Playa del Carmen. I think we've done 4 or 5 trips down there right now, 3 at least to the Aloft. We really like the area. So again, remember to like, subscribe, comment if you have any questions. Love to help fellow travelers, especially fellow travelers from Atlantic Canada or Canada in general that want to explore Mexico, and especially Yucatan Peninsula. Anyway, again, have a great day, and I hope this content was useful to you.